How to naturally get rid of stinky feet. It can be embarrassing to have foot odor or worse, smelly feet. This happens when you wear socks and shoes while sweating. The sweat is stuck to your feet because it has nowhere else to go. You have many natural options to get rid of bad odors. These natural remedies will only work if you do them consistently for a specified time. Many of them will be done in 1 week. Talcum powder can be used on your feet to kill bacteria and eliminate the smell. You can also use an antiperspirant to dry your feet if you don't have talcum powder. These are some easy ways to eliminate bad smells. Baking soda. Baking soda is a good first choice. This will kill any bacteria that may be on your feet. How can you do it? Pour some baking soda into warm water. For 15 to 20 minutes, soak your feet for 1 week. Before you wear your socks or shoes, make sure to sprinkle some baking soda. Lavender oil. Lavender oil has a pleasant scent and kills bacteria. It is also effective in fighting fungus and treating foot odor. Warm water can be used to dissolve a few drops from lavender essential oil. Soak your feet in it 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat for a few more days by doing this twice a day. Aluminium. Because alum powder is sharp, it kills germs. It also stops the growth of odorous bacteria. Add 1 teaspoon of alum powder to 1 cup warm water. Wash your feet with the mixture. Let your feet dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Then sprinkle some more alum powder onto them. This should be done once per day. Epsom salt. Epsom salt prevents feet from getting stale by fighting bad bacteria. Epsom salt will soothe your feet by massaging them with it. Fill half a bucket with warm water and add 2 teaspoons Epsom salt. Soak your feet for between 10 and 15 minutes in the mixture. You can do this before going to bed so you don't need to put on socks or shoes for several hours. Black tea. Tannic acid is a component of black tea that kills the bacteria that makes feet smell. It stops feet sweating, which is why they develop the bad odor. 2 bags of black tea should be boiled in 3 cups hot water. Add half a bucket water to make sure that the mix does not get too hot. Soak your feet in it 15 to 20 minutes. Continue this practice for 1 week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.